Hi, I'm Meris, and I am so incredibly excited to introduce you to the third edition of our nursing school planner, and this one is going to be our calendar year, January 2023, all the way through January 2024, 13 full months of planning content for you. I want to tell you a little bit about the planner in case you have never seen it before, and if you have already used the planner, maybe you used our last calendar year one, or you are more of a fan of the academic year one, you'll be able to see some of the changes that we made. So I'm going to go ahead and review all of that with you. So right off the bat, you can probably tell that one of the biggest changes is just how it looks from the outside. We did update the cover. We thought that this one was pretty cool. It has this close-up detail of neurons. We want to remind you that you are smart and those synapses are firing beautifully. So every time you look at this planner, I hope you know that you are awesome and you are doing a great job. One of the other things that we kept, because we heard from you all how much you love them, is our monthly pep talks and our studying test taking tips. So we added new pep talks, we added new studying and test taking tips, we even added some tips for clinical rotations. So every month you will get a little surprise, something from the Level Up team to let you know that we think you're doing a great job, to let you know that you are not alone in this, because nursing school can be incredibly difficult, and we want you to always remember that we are in your corner rooting for you. Now, in terms of the things that we kept the same, we did, of course, leave the goal planning pages. You guys seem to love these, and I'm so glad because I love them too. I think they are awesome, and it makes me really happy to see you making your goals for the month. Of course, we still have our monthly overview where you can plan out anything in this nice visual view with, of course, a cool chicken hint for every month so that you can help remember those crucial facts for your studying, your test taking, and of course for NCLEX. Now, when it comes down to the nitty-gritty of things, you want to be able to plan not your month, but your week as well. So we do have our weekly planning pages here where you have the ability to track what assignments are due, what tests and quizzes might be coming up in this week, what kinds of stuff you have going on at home, what sort of stuff do you need to do that isn't school related, additional tasks. We also have here your labs, simulation, and clinical schedule, because you know how crucial it is that you don't miss a single one of those so that you can stay on top of it for school. And then, of course, we have a space here for you to track what's coming down the line, your future assignments. We have our studying tracker where you color in this stack of books for each day of the week that you study, because, of course, it is the quantity and the quality of your studying. You need to be doing a little bit every single day, and this hopefully will help you make it a little bit more fun. At the bottom here, we have our weekly habits and goals. So things that you might want to track that we didn't think of, we've got space for you to do that. And then, of course, on the daily pages, we have the same great layout from before, where we have space for you to track what's going on that day, whether that's a test, a quiz, a place you need to be, somebody's birthday, whatever it might be. And every single day, we have our 3 non-negotiable tasks here. This lets you decide what the 3 most important things are for you to get done that day. And then, of course, the thing that everybody loves the most is our reference pages. Our reference pages are so amazing because it is the material that you need the most. The stuff that you're looking up, the stuff that you're Googling, the stuff that you're having to bookmark in your textbooks because you need it all the time, we've got it in here for you. So nurses, working nurses, and nurse educators put this together to make sure that you have this information available at your fingertips. We have information on lab values, different things you need to know for fundamentals and med surg, things that you need to know for your specialty courses like pediatrics, maternity, mental health, and even leadership. We have all of that information here in full color, and we have space for you to add notes on what is most important for you. We know that not every program is the same, and that there are some things that is important for you to know at your school that we didn't include in these pages, so we've got room for you to track that as well. I am so excited for you to get your hands on the brand new nursing school planner. I also know that not everybody is the same and that you guys out there are going to make this planner your own. You're going to customize it, you're going to decorate it, you're going to use it in unique ways that serve you best, and I want to see that. So when you get your planner, please make sure to tag us on social at LevelUpRN. I want to see all of the amazing ways that you are using your planner, and I know that there are other students out there who want to see it as well and think of cool ways that they can use their planner as well. As always, I'm wishing you the best. Happy studying.
I invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. If you found value in this video, be sure to hit the like button and leave us a comment and let us know what you found particularly helpful.